On today's episode of Watch Geo Go, we finished the audio system in the Tracker. I mean, you guys asked for it, and of course we were going to do it. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Geo Go, and today I'm here in Josh's garage because it has air conditioning. Huge shout out to Josh. And Jake's here. The carpet just came in a couple hours ago. It was signature required. It was $200 for some carpet, and I had to take off work to get this. Anyway, carpet's here. The micro bypass is here, the Alpine micro bypass for the head unit. And a lot of people were like, why don't you just ground out the parking brake on the head unit? Head units don't work like that anymore, guys. It's been a long time. It's probably been like 6 years since all the head unit manufacturers got together, and they figured out that they want us to cycle the parking brake before the head unit will enable video or Bluetooth configuration and stuff like that. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of having to stop the car on the highway to pair somebody else's phone because we wanted to listen to different music. So this allows you to keep using all the functionality of your head unit without having to like manually ground out a wire or push a switch or anything like that. It basically just cycles the parking brake on and off virtually, and the head unit thinks you're good to go. Today, we're gonna get the head unit actually mounted right after we get the micro bypass wired in. Shouldn't take too long. And then we're gonna pull everything back out, drop the carpet in real fast, and I'm just excited to see this with carpet in it. The only thing bolted in is the driver's seat, so it shouldn't take us too long.
This stuff has quite a bit of sound editing on, so fastest installation. Done.
Done! So one of the spots we got caught up on the head unit install is the fact that there's big tabs on this doubled-in dash kit, and those were in the way of actually getting the head unit set back in where it belongs. It's actually stuck out like that because the tabs are touching the plastic. The first thing we're going to do is take a cutoff wheel and the Dremel and a vacuum, and then carefully just knock those tabs off with you know, a little finesse and a vacuum. It shouldn't take long at all, so let's get busy. I don't think the tool is in here. It's not.
What?
Neither is the cutoff wheel. We got the bottom done, now onto the top, the easy part. Here we go. I think we got it. Cutoff wheel action done, and the head unit should drop right in now. All the way back. And now we can finally mount that guy, put the dash back together. Pumped about that. And we can put the screws back in the climate control, which are, I'd say, long overdue. It's really impossible to use without these big long screws that hold this thing together. Let's get the micro bypass in and then get busy reassembling the dash.
Seamster.
A seamster. So we've kind of figured out where the carpet goes, and we've got it laid in here. Honestly, fits kind of well, but it's not pre-cut for all of the holes here. So we have to pre-cut for these. Those little guys right there. Oh. The old carpet snapped in there, and this carpet doesn't. So I guess all we really have to do is cut out the hole for this seat anchor right here. So we're figuring that out right now, and I think we're just about there. This replacement carpet is nowhere near the quality of factory carpet, I gotta say. Well, Jake, what do you think about that?
That is a hole in some carpet.
That is a hole in some carpet. I think we can start putting the trim back now and getting this to lay in, hopefully, and then it should start to look like a car again. I'm just trying to get all of our screw holes lined up. This is only the back carpet. We still have to get the front one in, of course, but getting the back started, it holds down the carpet. It's gonna look really nice.
that has a lot of adjustment in it.
I think, yeah, it goes way down there, but I think it'll be okay with minimal adjustment. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. You could actually line it back up.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Just give me like a little bit. There you go. Tighten it down. We should be good. But we've been trying to get all the white lint off of this back carpet that came off the insulation for like 20 minutes. We went and got a lint roller. We tried that, and then Josh grabbed some packing tape and built a lint roller, and it works perfectly. Almost got it clean now. All right, so the back is wrapped up and we're about ready to start putting the front carpet in. I'm waiting on the soldering iron to warm up one more time so we can put it in the micro bypass right there, and we will be wrapped up underneath the dash, and then we can put the carpet in. I got the micro bypass in, just got the head unit back in. We're ready to put some screws in that. Then we can reassemble the dash and put the ashtray back in there. I'm gonna do the USB in the ashtray. It looks pretty cool. Climate control is bolted back in, ready to go together. Just have to stick that light back in there. Man, we've been making some good progress here. Jake's bringing the sub in because he wants music while we work. And also the carpet is in and clean. So now all we have left to do is cut out all of the holes in the front carpet. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nearly 20 holes have to be cut in this new carpet. So this might take a little time. We're gonna get it done.
That is really nice.
Don't you love it?
I love that.
Slide it on over. Yeah, super clean. Dash is in. Everything is finished up. It's all wrapped up there. Now we are ready to put the carpet in. Oh, we gotta cut a ton of holes in the carpet. So,
Feel for the bracket.
yeah, the bracket's right, yeah. I guess we could just cut beside it. The bracket's pretty huge.
We're gonna box it anyway, right?
Yeah, exactly. There we go, not bad. I was trying to have nice rounded edges on all my cuts, but that's difficult. All right.
Carpet's so much happier now.
Yeah, I am glad this has a full length console. Front to back, it's gonna look really good once it's all in. Cutting away here, trying to kind of maintain our carpet shape and rigidity while also cutting out the huge tab the seat mounts to. Carefully, away from my fingers. There we go. Okay, whoops, that was supposed to go outside. All right, so we've got these big plastic covers on the tracker, and they go right here, and that's why we had to cut the carpet there. There's one of those for each side. It's all on. All the brackets are ready except for this one. Do the magic. All right, yeah, brackets towards me.
Man, it's a lot comfier to sit in here now.
Yeah, super nice. The carpet is awesome. All right, let's get these bolts in here. Going down.
I'm gonna back both of them.
Yeah. Reverse. I've already flipped it. The seats have not been cleaned or fixed yet. It's on the list. Slam it. I want to see if it works. Hey, did it latch?
No.
It didn't? Maybe just push down instead of slamming? Hey, that works.
There we go.
We're going for a complete resto mod on this bad boy. Awesome. I think it might lean back a little bit.
Does it? I sure hope so.
Yeah, look at that. It reclines.
Let's get the sub back there.
Yeah, put the sub in.
Shake some.
How do you like that?
I really like the wiring of this sub.
You like it? Super nice.
I do.
Okay, let's take a look at the sub. Put back into its position. Oh man. Yeah, slide it all the way over. I keep it like all the way on the edge.
Keep it butted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
So
It fit perfectly with the seat. There's so much more detailing I need to do. Did you see all the dirt that flew when it shut? Like there was a little cloud of dirt.
No, it was all in my eyes. I couldn't see anything.
I've been cleaning for so long. All right, let's fire this up because I'm ready to see a test. And then we can put in the front seats. Here we go. Turn the phone all the way up. Oh, what?
I'm sorry, I called.
Did you?
No.
Oh, this is weird already.
Thing?
Like the subwoofer is definitely shaking the seat.
In your back, yeah.
Yeah, it's
All right.
It's a rumble seat.
Here we go.
Literal.
Turn it up to 21. It's gonna get wild in here. I hope you guys are happy. The tracker's back. We're ready to go. All that's left is the paint that you guys keep begging for and these wheels and tires. Okay, I also need to find somebody to stitch in some little vinyl patch panels there, but other than that, look at this. Seats, carpet. I've got brand new window crank handles at the house. I need to vacuum this seat. We detailed all like every inch of the interior. We washed all in the sink while we were working on that. Oh, you got the top on? Oh, awesome. Shout out to everybody that was helping. Josh, Gabe came over, Jake was here. We bolted it all back together. Honestly, we just stood around and talked for like 4 hours. But we got the tracker back together. It's good to go. Can't wait to run around and listen to it. Okay, so you open the tailgate all the way. And then that just slides in just like, hold on. Like that, yeah, just like that. Si, senor. Up, there, up, down, there. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then we zip in the back. Yeah, so that starts right over here. That is where the zipper is. And it has to kind of slide sideways a little bit. What manner of sorcery is this? So all we have to do is clean up our mess. There's not too much mess here, a little bit, and take this thing for a spin, and I am super excited to do that. It's really nice to not have a hole in the carpet, not have mold in the carpet, not have water in it. Everything seals up now. There's a throttle stop to keep the cable from sticking now. Josh engineered that. The tracker is good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. You ready to go roll around in this bad boy?
Let's roll around this bad boy.
Let's do it.